How to remove filter from Snapchat picture or photos. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you how you can do it. So let's start. For that, you may open up your Snapchat application first. And then once you open up Snapchat, you need to go ahead and locate up the image that you would like to find the original filter to. So just go ahead and locate it up. So for example, this picture right here. So what you need to do is, in order to locate up the original filter, you may tap on the three dot at the top of the picture, and you may look for the Edit Snap option from the given options in the menu. Once you go ahead and click on Edit Snaps, when you swipe right, you should be finding different filters being applied to your picture. You can see different filters are being applied. So if you want to choose the normal one, the original one, all you gotta do is swipe left or right until you reach over to the original section like this, the one with nothing in the middle of your screen. You can look out for that. That is the original filter. Once you've selected that, you can select export from the bottom left corner and save it. Just go ahead and hit back and you can tap on save changes and save the picture in your device. And that's it. That is it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.